If your little one's wash day feels like a nightmare after protective style, if you're battling breakage, endless tangles, and hours in the bathroom, this video is for you, mama. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I wash my daughter's hair after 4 full weeks in mini twists. You'll see the step-by-step process I use to avoid breakage, speed up detangling, and keep her hair soft, strong, and thriving without the drama. So first things first, I start by fully saturating her hair with warm water, and I do this to make it easier to manipulate her hair while detangling. Next, I apply a rinse out conditioner to her hair, a rinse out conditioner with great slip that's going to make detangling a breeze. I then break her hair down into sections to make detangling easier for me and just less overwhelming. I detangle with my fingers first, and then I go in with the Denman B38 detangling brush to further detangle. After each section is detangled, I twist it up. This right here is such a game changer, especially if your little one's hair is tangle prone. Then I go in with a clarifying shampoo. I use a clarifying shampoo on her hair every 4 weeks, right over those twists. Yes, I shampoo in the twists. This keeps her hair stretched and helps avoid retangling everything I just detangled. Focus on her scalp first, then I gently work the lather down those twists because the full lengths of her hair need shampooing too. Now, mama, if doing your little one's hair feels overwhelming and stressful for you and tearful for them, this is exactly where I come in. Let's work together. My one-on-one Confident Crown consultation call is designed to give you a personalized step-by-step plan tailored to your little one's unique hair needs. No more guesswork, just clarity, confidence, and results. If you're ready to finally feel confident and in control of your little one's hair care, check the link in the description box to book. So many of you have been asking me how I mix my daughter's protein treatments. I'm going to show you right now. So I take 4 scoops of her deep conditioner. By the way, mama, I use these protein drops every 6 to 8 weeks. And then I add 6 droplets of the Amino Touch protein drops. And then I mix it all up and then I apply it to her hair. So now it's time to apply the protein mix to her hair. I apply it in the twist. And then once I've applied it to all of her twists, I clip it away and put a conditioning cap on her head, and I leave this on for about 20 minutes. Once I've rinsed all that out, I then apply her leave-in conditioner to her twist in the shower on soaking wet hair. This just helps to prep her hair for styling. If this video helped you, drop a comment or share with another mama who needs it. And don't forget, if you want personalized support with your little one's hair, book a consultation call with me. I'd love to help you on this journey. See you next one. Take care. Bye.